Recording in progress.
So, we are all gathered here at Nitya and Ramakrishnan's house for our first Ramasheri family meetup. And something we are doing is நம்ம RE generation memories we are capturing by talking to senior members in our family. And this recording is about Ari Narayani or Tangam as we knew her, and Sheshan Atimber. And Jamuna Atanga, as I call her Atanga Party very affectionately. She is on the Zoom call, and now she is going to share her memories about her parents. So Cholungo Atanga Party, about your parents.
She was a gem of a lady, very strict in bringing us, very strict. On the other hand, Appa was very lenient. We could do anything we wanted with it. And Amma taught us the value of what family relationship, how you must behave with your outsiders and your family members. That is what we have been following, and I have taught my children also the same thing, and my children have also taught their children about the values of family. Appa was a quite going, sterling gentleman. Appa, you can talk with your water. He was a friend more than a father, he was a friend to us. And patiently listen to all our thoughts and our like it, fulfill it to the அப்போ இனிமே பேசல கண்ண கண்ணு
தங்கமத்தை வந்து she lived till 103 இல்லையா
103 yes she lived for 1910 to 2013
இந்த காலத்துல இப்போ எல்லாம் அப்படி எல்லாம் இருந்தா என்ன வாட் இஸ் தி சீக்ரெட் ஆஃப் யுவர் லைஃப் அப்படி எல்லாம் ரிசர்ச் பண்ணுவா இந்த
அதெல்லாம் ஒண்ணு கிடையாது வீட்டு சாப்பாடு சாப்பிட்டு இருந்தாலே ஒன்றும் வராது நோ அவுட் சைட் ஃபுட்
நீங்க சொல்லுவேல அந்த வேல்யூஸ் எல்லாம் எப்படி வரும் அந்த ரெண்டு வார்த்தை சொல்லுங்க உங்களோட பேட்டன்டட் வார்த்தையாக்கும் அது சொல்லுங்க
சும்மா வருமா
ஓகே
ஆமா சும்மா வராது I do mean it.
Correct. Thank you.
And your Kire Kadai was too good. Fun fact. We enjoyed it.
Yeah. You stop.